One of its most enchanting features is the long pathway leading to the main shrine, which is lined with moss-covered stone lanterns. These lanterns, surrounded by towering cedar trees, create a tranquil and almost otherworldly ambience. They not only light the way for visitors, but also symbolize the spiritual connection between the shrine and nature. Take in the solemn atmosphere as you proceed along the Sando pathway to the shrine, lined with cedar trees and stone lanterns, until you reach Fujisan Otoriai.